Dear student, today we are going to see in the cost accounting what is cost, what is costing, what is cost accounting, what is cost unit, cost center. So these are all the aspects we are going to see now. So first we have to see what is meant by cost. So cost is an amount of expenditure incurred on a particular goods and services is called as cost. So if you want to go for a cinema, if you want to buy a pen, or if you want to buy a kilogram of apple, the cost they will mention. The shopkeeper will say the rate of that product. So that is means the cost. The cost means the amount of expenditure incurred on a particular goods and services is called as cost. So here both the product as well as the services are considered as a product. Okay, and then next we have to see what is meant by costing. So costing means the process of ascertaining the cost is called as costing. In the cost accounting, there are several methods are available to find out the cost. The methods which are used to find out the cost or the process of ascertaining the cost is called as costing. Next we have to see what is meant by cost accounting. What is meant by cost accounting? So in the cost accounting, several rules, principles are available. That rules and principles are used in the business for the purpose of controlling the cost and to find out the correct profitability of the business. Not only that, to give the managerial decision making to solve the various managerial problems. So this is called as cost accounting. So in the cost accounting, there are several rules, principles, techniques are available that will be implemented in the business. The purpose of implementation is to find out the correct cost of production, to regulate the cost of production, and to fix the correct selling price, and also to find out the correct profitability of the business. So these are all the objectives these are all the objectives for which we are using the costing principles and techniques in the business. Not only that, we are going to take various managerial problems to solve the managerial issues or the manufacturing issues. The managerial or the technical or the manufacturing issues are also solved through the cost accounting rules, regulations and principles. This is called as cost accounting. So far we have seen what is cost, what is costing, what is cost accounting. Next we have to see what is meant by cost unit. We have to see the cost unit. Cost unit is a measurement or a yardstick to measure the cost. So whatever the cost, we have to say in some measurement. Suppose if you want to go to a textile shop, you are asking to stitch your dress, you are asking what about a meter of cloth. You are going to vegetable shop, you are asking what about 1 kilogram of brinjal. So all the product, all the costs are measured in terms of some measurement is called as cost unit. Is called as cost unit. In cost unit, the costs are measured, the costs are expressed. For example, you can say, if you go by auto, if you go by a Ola car, they will say, what about the cost per kilometer? If you go buy a vegetables, they are saying kilograms. If you want to buy a cloth for your dress, they will say, a meter of cloth is this much of cost. So this is a measurement to measure the cost. Next we have to see what is meant by cost center. Cost center is a place or a machinery or a human being or combination of all these where all costs are assembled and recorded. This is called as cost center. Cost center is a place or a machinery or a equipment or combination of all these where all costs are accumulated and recorded is called as cost center. So far we have seen what is cost, costing, cost accounting, cost unit, cost center. So these are all the basic concepts you must know before studying the cost accounting subject. Next we have to see what are the difference between the financial and cost accounting. Financial accounting versus cost accounting. Versus cost accounting. We have to see. Okay. We have to see costing, financial accounting and costing. So you have studied in the first year, in the second year, you have studied the financial accounting, you have studied the corporate accounting. These are all the accounting system you might have been studied in the first year and second year. Now we are going to study yet another account which is called as cost accounting. So there are some lot of difference between the financial accounting and cost accounting. Okay, so cost accounting is a historical nature of record, where we are recording already the transactions which were happened, already the expenses were paid. So there and then we are recording in the books and accounts. So it is a historical record. Financial accounting is a historical record. Already it has been paid. You are recording the transaction in the books and accounts. It is just like a post-mortem of business transaction in the financial accounting. But in cost accounting, not only the post-mortem of business transaction, but also you are predicting the future, you are predicting the future, you are planning the future, you are controlling the future course of action. So everything will be carried out. So it is a historical nature of record. It is a dynamic record. This is the first difference between the cost accounting and the financial accounting. Next, second point, we can say financial accounts are prepared with a double entry system of bookkeeping. Here we are following double entry system of bookkeeping. Debit credit rules are followed in the preparation of accounts. In the cost accounting, we are not at all following any debit credit rules. We are simply preparing various statements and reports. So double entry systems are followed. Here double entry systems are not followed. We are simply preparing the various reports and returns, etc. Okay. Here another point, in the financial accounting, stocks are valued. If there is any closing stock, either the raw material or a finished product or semi-finished goods, the stocks are valued here on the cost price or market price, whichever is less. That is the principle we are adopting in the financial accounting in valuing the closing stock. But in cost accounting, we are valuing the closing stock only on the cost price without considering the market price. So this is the another difference between the cost accounting and the financial accounting. So financial accounting is a periodical reporting system. This is another difference. Financial accounting is a periodical reporting system. At the end of every financial year, we are getting the report. What about the gross profit by way of preparing the trading account? What about the net profit by way of preparing the profit loss account? What about the financial status of the business by preparing the balance sheet? So these are all the activities which are carried out at the end of the financial year. That is, it is a periodical reporting system. But the cost accounting is a continuous reporting system. We can get the business result, expenditure, profit, sales, cost, etc. We can get daily, monthly, periodically, weekly, 15 days once we can get the continuous result from the working place. So it is a continuous reporting system. So it is a periodical reporting system. It is a continuous reporting system. Another important difference is financial accounting gives the result in aggregate. Will give the cost and result aggregate. But in the cost accounting, it will give the cost and result in each aspect of the business. What about the material cost per unit? What about the labor cost per unit? What about the overhead expenditure per unit? What about the sales per unit? What about the profit per unit? So these are all the aspects which will be carried out in the cost accounting. Here we can find the result in per unit aspect. Here we will get result in aggregate. Here we will get the result in per unit aspect. So here the financial accounts are compulsory one in the corporate companies, but the preparation of cost accounting record is not a compulsory one. So these are all the some of the difference between the financial accounting and the cost accounting. These are all some of the difference between the cost accounting and financial accounting. So next class we can see what is going to be cost sheet, how to prepare the cost sheet. So these are all the problematic aspects we can see in the next class. Thank you very much.